Welcome to Elements Live on Channel 5. I'm Brielle.
And I'm Kristina. Today we will be exploring the discovery of the elements in Group 12. They're known as the volatile metals.
There appear to be 4 elements in this group. They are zinc, cadmium, mercury, and anubium.
Some of the group's physical properties include that they're all metals, they have a silvery white appearance, and they have a relatively low melting and boiling points. Anubium is not included in these traits because it is man-made and it is not tangible for long enough to record its properties.
Some of the group's chemical properties are that they can lose 2 electrons in the outer shell to form positive ions, and they tend to lose the 2 outer electrons for covalent bonding.
The group is different from other transition metals because they form compounds in which their oxidation states are no higher than +2. A group trend of theirs is that the ionic size increases as you move down the periodic table because the atomic radius is bigger and each atom is losing 1 electron. The elements all form cations.
The atoms form specific ionic charges to become more like the noble gases. The noble gases are the most stable, and all of the elements want to achieve that state.
The first element that we're going to introduce is zinc. Brielle went down to the lab earlier to speak with the scientist who discovered zinc, Andreas Margoff. Brielle?
Hi, I'm here with Andreas Margoff. Andreas, what can you tell us about zinc?
Zinc is essential to life, and is one of the most widely used metals. The atomic number is 30, and the weight is 65.39. It has a crystal-like structure. It exhibits mostly, exclusively, a +2 oxidation state in chemical compounds. You can find a large amount of zinc in the human blood cells, and is an essential element for humans.
Kristina went down to the lab to talk with the scientist who discovered cadmium, Frederick Strohmeyer. Kristina?
We're here with Frederick Strohmeyer to see if he can tell us a little bit more about cadmium.
Cadmium is mainly found in oxidation state +2. Its atomic number is 48 and it weighs 112.411. It has a crystal structure and is extremely soft. This element is poisonous if inhaled as vapor or dust.
Today, Brielle went down to ancient Egypt to talk to one of the Egyptians who discovered mercury. Brielle?
I'm here in Egypt to find out a little more about mercury. What can you tell us about that?
Mercury is also known as quicksilver. Its name originated in alchemy, but it was discovered in ancient times. It is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Its atomic number is 80 and its weight is 200.56. It also has a crystal structure.
This just in. Anubium was discovered by Sigurd Hoffman and Victor Ninov. Yesterday, Kristina went down and visited the Institute for Heavy Iron Research to talk to Victor. Kristina?
I'm here with Victor Ninov to learn about anubium.
Anubium is artificially produced and is extremely radioactive. The atomic number for anubium is 112. The weight for anubium is 285. Anubium decays after about 0.24 milliseconds by the emission of an alpha particle. The longest lasting isotope of anubium is isotope 285 with a half-life of 34 seconds.
This has been Elements Live on Channel 5 with Group 12 Elements.
Thank you and good night.